Are your GoToMeeting application failing because of the GoToMeeting Codec DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Before we dive into the GoToMeeting Codec troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the GoToMeeting Codec. This is the specialized audio and screen capture codec used by Citrix GoToMeeting. It is responsible for the compression and playback of proprietary meeting recordings. If missing, media players will be unable to open recorded meeting files, displaying an unsupported codec or audio stream not found error message. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. To restore GoToMeeting Codec DLL, we need to address the underlying graphics runtime. I recommend installing the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime package to refresh your legacy DirectX components, followed by a GPU driver update to ensure your OpenCL or CUDA frameworks are current. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including GoToMeeting Codec. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. If you're attempting to install GoToMeeting Codec DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. If your system struggles with its current configuration, the repair utility below provides background information on GoToMeeting Codec. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored GoToMeeting Codec functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.